Don't forget to give us likes, leave your comments, share us to your friends, and also subscribe to our channels. We have YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Facebook.
Hello everyone, my name is Pisek, or you can call me Benz as well. I'm from Kesdon, and today you are in the Random Forest series, where I will explore some new topics about AI and generated AI unfiltered. You will see what I think, you will see what I see, and you will see what I play, failed, and hopefully not 80% of the time I failed, and some successes. So today, we are going to continue from our part 1 Gemini 2.0. It's going to be part 2 today. But before we actually get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Case Done by AI. We are on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and Substack. So, Gemini 2.0, recently announced from Google and Google DeepMind. It's supposed to be the most awesome AI from their camp. It's supposed to be pushing the agentic era. Agentic means the AI knows, it has its thinking, but now it knows how to use planning, more logical reasoning, as well as to use. So becoming an agent for human like us. So previously we explored, I think we explored, no, not this guy. We explore Vertex, not Vertex. We actually explore Gemini AI Studio in part 1, and you actually see that this is a great tool for you to get accustomed to different configurations and use cases from, for example, maybe from the prompt gallery, as well as from the starter apps like the spatial understandings. For those of you who missed the part number 1, you can go back to actually take a look at it. But you don't have any, there's no prerequisite to do that for the part 2 that we are doing now. So what I'm interested in to do here is picking up from last time that we see deep research. So deep research is it's in experimental mode for Gemini, but I'm now rolled out for Gemini Advanced subscriber today. It's supposed to be 7 hours of time that I will be, or you will be, doing research on some topic that you are interested in. So yeah, that's the value proposition. So actually, let's take a look at this summary from Google itself. Gemini, your AI assistant, has been updated with 2 new features, Deep Research and Gemini 2.0 Flash. Deep Research uses AI to conduct research for you, providing a comprehensive report with key findings and links to original sources. I'm not sure how much it's going to be an improvement from previous offerings like web search based question and answering, but we'll take a look at it today. Gemini 2.0 Flash is an experimental model. I think we've covered that already. Basic explainer. Okay. New features. Deep research help you do research online. It's like having an AI assistant that finds information for you and write the report. Just tell it what you want to know and it does all the work. Released, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's take a look more. Use AI to explore complex topics on your behalf. Okay. Your personal AI research here for here to help. A project like this take you hours. What is it? Doing research online isn't easy. Imagine you're a graduate preparing for upcoming robotic presentation. You want to get smart on autonomous vehicle sensor trends and understanding how different technologies stack up along with what's on the horizon. Okay, so it's pretty much going to do some information gathering, hopefully deep research, and compile the result into a report. Okay, we shared this. So now Gemini has been equipped with 1 million token context window. I think they are trying to boast that this is capabilities that allows this application, deep research application, to become a reality. Starting in English, guys. Don't try to do non-English deep research just yet. Oh, what? So rather than a 2.0 version, it's just a 1.5 Pro of Gemini for deep research. Okay, that's pretty much it from the blog. So let's actually get started using it. So I am going to come to the Gemini .google.com here, and okay, I don't have that. I'm not even sure if I upgrade I can access oh, okay, yeah, advanced for 2 months, 3 months after that. Can I get 1 month free? There's no option anymore. Okay, is it because I signed up before? If I close that and try to click that one again. Oh, okay. Gemini Advanced. So do I really need to buy? Okay, here we go. Try for 1 month at no charge. Get Gemini Advanced and more with Google One platform. Oh my goodness. Okay. Get discount. Okay, just a one-click thing. Actually, you know what? This could be because I signed up with my personal account. Let me try to. Okay, this is getting tricky. Why am I here? I'm not supposed to be in this. Sign in again. Verify that's me. All right. Touch. I'm trying to save some money, guys. So, okay, let me try ChatGPT again. Experimental mode. Try now. Try. Yes, 0 for 1 month. Let's get started. Cool. Okay, 1 month. Yep, that's my credit card right there. All right, come on. Okay. Okay, I have signed up for Gemini Advanced. Preview our latest 2.0 experimental advanced mode. Sure. I did that already, so I'm not going to do it now. This is what we are in for today. In-depth information in minutes. Research websites, analyze results, create report, deep research. Browsers the open web to deliver comprehensive organized reports from a range of sources. A pain point here, guys, is that I'm not sure if the LLM knows whether the website that it's looking at and pulling information from is credible or not. You know, like if it's reading something off Wikipedia should be okay, but if it's reading off something from Reddit or Craigslist, can be really, really bad information, or at least not credible, to say the least. Okay, try deep research today and discover a powerful new way to get the information you need. Try now. That's we are here today. All right. What should I ask it with? I actually want to know. We have ML ops for a while now, but since the arrival of LLM and now even multi-model models, what are okay, I want to know more about LLM ops or something like that. Run 1.5 Pro with deep research is probably gathering information from the internet related to this topic that we just put in. So here we go. How can I close collapse? Okay. Here's a plan I've put together. Let me know if you need any changes before I start researching. LLM Labs, challenges and opportunities. Website research, we have ML Labs of okay, but since I want to know more about like that. Okay. I think these are steps that it planned to do. 5 articles and blog posts discussing the concept of LLM ops and how it differs from traditional ML ops. Find information on the specific challenges and considerations for deploying managing LLM in production. Find tools and platforms designed for this. Case studies and examples of companies. Information on best practices and emerging trends. Online communities. Analyze results. Edit plan. Oh, what changes? Okay, so yeah, there are 2 buttons, edit plan and start research. Edit plan, this is the current plan. I know that already. Why do you repeating it? Okay, I was thinking I also want to know what principles and practices that LLM ops take from ML ops. I also want to know sources that I can study further, credible. Let's see. All right, I think I steered it not much from its original plan, but let's see how it goes. Here's the updated plan. Feel free to change. Okay. Okay, 2 more steps added. This is difference or similars. Deployment, tools and platform, case studies, information, online community, relevant academic researches. Yes, that's good. Overlapping principles and practices. It's supposed to be, it should be like close to number 1, but whatever. Okay, let's do, yeah, let's start research. Don't know how long it's going to take though. Ooh. Live document. Yeah, this is like an idea copied, not copied, inspired by the original one from Anthropic, I think. Okay, in searching your report, Gemini searches the webs and browses content from relevant websites on your behalf. Is this a credible website? I don't know. Neptune, yeah. Circle CI, sure. Maybe Databricks, yes. Career. A lot of things that I don't know. Even Medium, Pluralsight. Okay. Yep, OpSpace, blah, 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 DataCamp. That's a lot of websites. So I guess based on search engine, so Google might have like extract lots of keywords from this guy and also the plan and use its search engine. Could be based on keyword search or semantic search or elastic search, all the technology that they have to come up with a list of websites. And each of them, they will pull in information that they can scrape from it. Hopefully they can scrape better than our custom tools if we are going to make it ourselves. And based on that information, it's now forming a analysis or a report. Seems like it can take a while, but I'll be patient here. While it's doing its thing, perhaps I'm just going to see what other topics I can dive in today. I'm not sure if I want to really touch on like Notebook LM because it's been released for quite a while. But I think it actually like make good punch on some things. So maybe I'll take a look at that, even though it's not the recent release though. This topic is okay. We covered that, so I move it here. Close this one. It's still doing its thing, so taking a while. Okay, this is, I can close it now. Okay, actually I forgot to bring one page. I think lab or something. Google AI lab. Is that the one? Yeah. This is something that I want to explore as well. Notebook LMs. So you have a lot of things here, guys. Did I actually save it somewhere? Maybe not the one that I'm looking at. Experiment with Google. Is it this one? No, not this one. Okay, where is it? Okay. So let me try to find it first. So hang on a second, guys. Not that one. Huh? Here we go. This is the one that I'm looking for. Oops. All right, back to presenting my screen again. So this is the next topic that we'll cover, code experiments. All right, back to here. This guy is not done yet, so it's taking so long, but at least now it's finishing analyzing stuff. Now it's creating a report for us. It's been like, what, 2 minutes now? Yeah, not that bad compared to if I need to read all the links from step 1. Yeah, that's how many links, I think, like roughly 20 websites in progress to be in a report. So while we are waiting for that, so let's actually see it. So this is in the labs.google's labs.google, right? Yeah, and there are a lot of things underneath here that you can actually see. This is actually my first time coming here too. Recommended AI tools. We see that Project Mariner already. Notebook LM is another one of them. The team, I think 3 persons who made Notebook LM quit Google to start their own startup. I guess this is how it is now, like with any glimpse of value in the AI, generative AI applications, you can quit your job, get some money, and start your own startup, which I'm not really sure that it's going to survive. So yeah, this is how the gold rush is in anything, I think. Okay, Jules. This is like, we can try it now. Oh, overview search. I think I've seen that before. See more. So many things, but most of them are hidden. Nobody really see it. Okay, we got there. Okay. All right, my report is done here. LLM Ops, evolving MLOps for the age of large language model and multimodal models. Okay, before I actually read through, so it has paragraphs and headings. What's LLM Ops? LLM Ops versus ML Ops. Okay. Challenges, tools and platform. That is very nice. Okay. Best practices in LLM Ops. That's a lot. And this is okay. This is reference, but it doesn't really, does it? Oh, it actually does compile all the references at the back. So one thing that is good from using Gemini is that you can easily export it to Google Doc or Google Sheet, right? So let's see. How does it look like? Collaborate with Gemini in Docs. So with Google products like Gemini Docs, Google Docs and Sheet, you can get help from LLM too. That is very neat. Neato. Suggestion, refine. I'll come back to read this through. I think this is interesting. Okay, now back to playing with the research again. If I want to start a new chat, I click new chat, and here we go, back to the clean slate. Okay, research. I want to know about agentic AI. Research. Research topics. Latest research topic in AI agents, AI agentic systems, and related topics. Okay, let's see. The year 2025 is going to be the year of agentic AI. So doing that research can be useful for me. Okay, 5 top research papers in AI agents and agentic systems for the past year. Okay, top research conferences and workshops, research groups and labs, articles and blogs discussing this and that. Okay, am I happy with that? Make sure to crawl on archive. Would it understand archive? Archive is a repo where people put a lot of publication research there. Okay, here we go. That's it, guys. I think for deep research, there's not much to discuss here. You just need to provide the topic of the research and maybe help it plan its action. So writing prompts, back to writing effective prompts again. And once you're happy with the plan, just let them go through. This is a nice one. Oh, I think I did that one before. Anyway, so it's going to go through a lot of websites, gather information, and try to summarize it. But as I mentioned earlier, it doesn't. Perhaps we used to need improvement in making sure that the websites that it's based its answers from is credible. It should know that it should read this website or not. Like if for example, like this one, yeah, if I click this one, it's going to jump to Reddit. And is it a good idea to base your answer on Reddit? Not sure. Not really sure. Okay. All right, so let's actually move on to this one first. This is what I am more interested in. Code section, code experiments. So there are 3 things here. Data science agent, an experiment to build AI agent Colab notebook that handles data cleaning, data exploration, plotting, Q&A on data, and predictive model. Interesting. Code transformation, and experimental model capability to edit existing Python code, taking as input code context with a text prompt and turn it into a code difference. Okay. Jules. Jules mentioned in the major announcement blog post. So Jules is a experimental AI coding agent that works asynchronously. Jules breaks down tasks and writes code that can be immersed directly into your GitHub repo. By the way, GitHub Copilot is now available for free. Okay, so this is like in direct competition, at least in an attempt to gain some market share back from the other guys. Oh God, okay. So Jules, I can't do anything with it now. So let's take a look at data science agent. So apparently I can click. Okay, where am I now? Let's zoom out. Okay, we are moving to Google Colab. Sign up here or check out this blog for more detail. Sign up. Okay. Please take me. Do you do science tasks often? Sure. I'm not going to answer much. Have you ever used Colab AI feature? No. Are you interested in? Sure. Could we reach out to you about? Yeah, why not? All right, I am in the waiting list, I think. So Paul, apparently I don't think I can do anything here because not available in my region, unfortunately. Sadly. Welcome to data science agent. This agent is experimentally designed to streamline your data workflow. How did we build it? I was able to get a notebook before. If you don't have, okay, that sucks. That really sucks. So let's block next chapter. I swear I clicked it before. Data science. Cluster program. Oh. Yep. Not going anywhere. Okay, this is sad. Playground. You know what? Let me try something crazy. This can break me, but all right, let's try it. Browsing feature. Here we go. Something is happening at the back. And we are going for non-local state. Connected. All right, let's see. Yeah, here we go. Okay, the playground sort of works now. Okay, drag and drop, 5 files maximum. Ooh, I don't have a data set, so let me go on Kaggle dataset. Find open dataset. Okay. Let's do something not that crazy yet. Google stock market data. What the hell is that? Ooh. Wait, it's stock market data. Oh, okay. Okay, let's take a look at air traffic landing statistics. Is there anything interesting here? 7 megabytes. Actually me trying to find a fun data set to work with. So let's get some. Wow, okay, this is interesting. Let's do some playground. Okay, okay, whatever. Titanic then. Oh, I should get out of the playground first. I think everyone knows Titanic machine learning from basic machine learning prediction, right? Am I fighting it? I think I have a trouble fighting it. Spouse, husband. Okay, train CSV. Site in. Sure. Oh, I need to register first. Well, I have that. Oh, okay. This one then. Sure. Go for it. Nope. I have enough. Okay, can't go. Come on. Quick, quick. Dismiss train. Oh, okay, sure. So many clicks just to get the data. Download all. Seems like it's taking me forever to download. Okay, I'm getting to lose my patience now. But I agree, I understand, I accept. My patience is running low, so all right. Iris dataset. Change my dataset to the Iris dataset instead. So Iris dataset is a classification problem where you want to classify types of or species. Am I saying it correctly? Of the okay, good job. Okay, wow. You know what? Okay. Boop. Boop. Iris data. All right, back to where we were. Upload a file. Here we go. What would you like to learn from the data? It can be as simple as show me some insight, tell me. Describe the data set in detail. Actually do EDA for me. EDA is exploratory data analysis. It's a first step of doing machine learning modeling. You need to understand the model well. So, okay, now it's analysis plan. Okay. We have created a set of tasks: data loading, data exploration. Oh, okay, and then it's going to create a collab for me. Okay. Wow. So it's not going to be doing anything, just creating a collab notebook for me. Could be a good thing though. So what I did, I just upload a file to this page, and it has crafted a plan for me: data loading, exploration, visualization, and I click create a collab notebook. Now I'm seeing that it has run the code and load up, and it actually did some data exploration for me. Okay, and now it's doing visualization. in steps, visualization steps done. I didn't really see anything though. Now it's doing analysis. Okay, these guys are just popping up too often. Hang on, let me just turn off that thing. Alert mode to silent. Actually, okay. Up. All right, back to where we are. So it did everything. Now it adds summary. Questions, there are no explicit questions in the user prompt. However, the overall task implies several questions that the EDA process aims to answer. So yeah, it learns that there are steps embedded in a word EDA, and these are questions that it needs to answer. Key findings, data loading, so it's load the data. It now explore the data, create some visualization and analysis. And it found that a strong positive correlation was observed between petal length and petal width, and between sepal length and petal length, and so on. Insight, a strong correlation, and species differentiation. Okay, now can I open it in Colab? Here we go. Sure. What just happened? Did it just... Oh, okay. Oh, moment of truth. Nice. So the task, my instruction to it is do EDA for me, and it has this section, planning, what it planned to do, pretty much what it was saying on this page, but transferred it to Colab. That actually, it's actually pretty convenient. Wow. And this is the result it has generated too. AI generated by data science agent. So with this, I think the work of exploring a data set, at least in a file format like this, because you had to dump a file in there, is reduced. So as I mentioned, for now, this Colab notebook will need to load a file from somewhere in your Google Drive, possibly, but you can replace this line of code, connect it to a BigQuery, for example, and you can pull in information there from there. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Go back to README. Okay. This is neat. I love it. So basically, Gemini model is being used to break down the steps. And based on that, it has a flow, and then it needs to trigger tools. And in this case, it will need to trigger Python kernel to run this code, for example. That's very interesting. I'm tempted to delete the project and start a new one. Oh, here we go, new project. Okay, maybe I need to find a more challenging data set. MNIST. Not sure that it can actually do computer vision, data science work. Yeah. Let's see classification problems. Steam review. And game dataset. That's interesting. What is it there? What am I looking at? Content. Oh, okay. Sentiment analysis. Okay, that's not that much. Fake news classification. Titanic data. Oh, right here, guys. My God. Okay. And I went a crazy way just to fail to get this. Okay, let me download it. All right, Titanic. This is going to be fun. Upload Titanic dataset. So explore the data set. One, explore the data set. Perform basic correlation. Perform classification using decision tree. Random forest. Random forest in detail. Okay, let's see how it's going to be doing. My projects, Titanic dataset. Yeah, this is going to be hard. Data loading, explore, cleaning, analysis, splitting, feature engineering, model training, model evaluation, and finishing task. Okay. Use Seaborn for visualization. Use scikit-learn for modeling. Compare. Do hyperparameter tuning, especially tree depth and number of trees. Compare models and summarize in table. Summarize in table. Wait, can I? You need to click that. Okay, is it going to restart from everything? Okay, good. Model evaluation with different metrics. Nice. Okay, model training. All right, good. Create callout. Cool. So for those of you who live in countries that the playground is not available yet, VPN can help you guys. So that's what I just did, like reconnect myself to the other part of the world that this playground is available. Here we go. Plan. That's a lot of plans, lots of steps. Data loading, not that difficult. Exploration, sure. Now it's spitting out lots of, hopefully. Oh, okay. One thing, just one thing, seriously. Data cleaning. All right, data visualization. You can actually do this in ChatGPT as well. So while we are waiting for that guy to finish, so let's actually do the same thing here. Upload. I want act as a senior data analyst, data scientist. You will help me explore the given data and perform basic correlation analysis, plot out basic visualization, and train several ML models. Must include random forest. Compare these models on various metrics such as F1 precision, recall, etc. Okay, is it everything? And summarize insights and finding in detail. Okay, so just the basic prompting techniques, guys. Ask AI to act as something, and you give it introduction. Give it the content, the main content of the prompt, main task, context, and the output. I can say that before you actually do the task, ask me some questions that you need to know, but I'm not going to do that now. And for this one, I'm just going to use ChatGPT for it. What's the word here? For modeling, use sklearn, aka scikit-learn. For plotting, use matplotlib. All right. GPT is going to do its thing. And yeah, this guy is still running. Optimizing. So model training for Gemini has just finished. So train a random forest with this chunk of code. Random classifier. So only one of them. Feature engineering. Create a feature size feature by combining zip and patch. Why did you pick this one though? Why did it pick those features? So it has family size, it's alone. Okay. Lots of data cleanup here. Okay, let's actually go back to the top. Data loading, nothing much. Exploration, it's putting down some numbers. I'm not going to take a look at that. I should be doing that in detail, but not now. Cleaning up, visualization. The cleaned Titanic dataset is to explore relationships between features and identify potential patterns. Start with histograms for numerical features and bar plot for categorical features. Here we go. Wow, okay. Most of the passengers are around 30 years of age, and distribution of fares mostly poor and very rich. Passenger class distribution, class 3, probably the poor. Survival by passengers. Go. This is a scattered plot of age versus fare. Not much here. You can't really see a lot. The rich supposed to be, yeah. Passenger class 3 seems to survive more. Here we go. In data preparation, convert categorical features to numerical using one-hot embedding because you are going to be using it in the model. Okay. Data analysis. This is correlation matrix between if this features is related to other features like survival is a the prediction, right? Survival has a good correlation with sex, right? So the female survive more. That's the correlation value is. Another one is class 3 has a fair correlation with fair. So the higher the class, the lower fair it is. So okay, cheaper class, right? All right. Data splitting. So this is splitting data for training the model and keeping some data for testing the model. This is a good practice for data science. Feature engineering is a way to create more features, or sometimes you need to eliminate unnecessary features so that you don't get like the curse of dimensionality in your training. And this is for manipulation of the features. And eventually, with everything ready, you train the model with random forest classifiers here with lots of stuff here. Some columns are dropped, some columns are picked. So they are trying to play with different models, having different features. And now this one is modeling optimization or hyperparameter tuning, where you change a lot of parameters that initialize the model. For example, how many levels of trees or branches that you want to divide. The deeper the model tree, the deeper the trees, the likely that you are overfitting the model. So that's why you need to explore. By the way, the values that they picked here is suboptimal. By no means that it should be 10 or 20. So it's just creating a boilerplate for you to explore quicker. Now, at least with what they have right now, seems like, okay, this is key findings, feature engineering, yeah, so some summary for each of the steps, I think. Okay, feature importance. Sex and P-class appear to be crucial features for predicting survival based on what it has found in its code analysis up there. Model performance. The random forest demonstrated a good level of predictive performance with an accuracy of 81%. That's not bad for a randomly generated code by the AI. Missing alternative models. A significant aspect of task was not completed, potentially limiting. Okay. Yep, some of the steps were not really executed successfully, I think. All right, let's actually now open in Colab. Un momento. Preparing. Now it's ready. How is it doing? Right, so it's just doing everything that it showed earlier, putting it here. Yeah, it's actually a great role. This is where the error occurred. Reasoning. The error message indicated that the RF model is not fitted. I need to train the model first before evaluating. Of course, you need to. Okay. Cool. Actually fun to see and reduces a lot of time of writing boilerplate codes like this, especially for the EDA part. Like plotting. It's exhausting to write code that much. But this is a brute force way as well in doing EDA, because right now there are so many packages that does EDA automatically for you, at least in the basic steps. Okay, where was our, okay, here is our ChatGPT version as well. So I'm paying for the ChatGPT Plus subscription, I think. So it's going to do exactly the same thing, load the file. Not exactly the same thing, but on a similar path. And with the loaded file, it can generate insight of the dataset. Like, okay, now it's understand that name is name. SIPs, SP is probably number of siblings or spouse, aboard, or something like that. And it has next steps, and it did next steps. Summarize what it found. Plot. Good color. Because 0 is death, so 1 is survive. Good. And the rest doing the same thing. Imputer. Good. Just removing missing values or filling in the gaps there. Seaborns. Nice. See, same thing that we had before. Ensemble. Logistics. So this is, I think it's smarter in, it did this more correctly, I think. You know, like the back to the Gemini ones, when if we take a look at plans, the plans here is to explore alternative models, right? Logistic regression, support vector machine, as well as a random forest tree, but it didn't do anything. It just did the random forest tree, right? Random forest, that's it. Yeah, so didn't really follow instruction that well. Meanwhile, ChatGPT did what we asked for. So models, classes, and did it do hyperparameter tuning search? It did not, so it actually failed it there too. So yeah, for random forest, it can provide many variations of those random forest models to do. But anyway, so this is what it had. Accuracy, terrible accuracy, because you didn't do enough fine tuning or hyperparameter tuning search actually. But anyway, so you have capabilities of AI to do to do data science for you now. All right, so this is actually fun. Let me just go back. Okay, what was it that I had before? What if it's not code? Bum, bum, bum. I think it's in here, right? Ooh, okay. Code transformation and okay, the next one is code transformation, an experimental model capability to edit existing Python code, taking as input code context with a text prompt. Maybe I don't want to play with this one. Try out simple things, adding docstring. Yeah, so it's code, so I'm not going to be showing it out here. Okay, I think we did this before. The next chapter for Gemini era. Okay, I think I did a lot today, and that's it for part 2, guys. So thanks for staying or watching this video. It's random forest, you know, like random forest series. I just randomly walk as I explore the topic of AI. Thanks again for staying with me, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Case Done by AI. We are on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and Substack. So for today, thank you very much, and see you next time.